Hi, good morning, dears. How are you today? Today is Monday, 15th of February 2021. Today we are going to learn about order of operations, which is in your book, page 24. Let's start. Let's say you have an equation. What do you mean by equation? When you have a numbers like 6, 15, 5, and another 6, and between them we have a number of operations like addition, multiplication, division, and subtraction. And I want you to find the answer. What is the answer of this operation? Step number 1. Simplify inside parentheses. Simplify inside parentheses. This is the parentheses. So I want you to find 15 divided by 5. What is 15 divided by 5? Great, it's 3. So we write instead of these parentheses, we write 3. Step number 2. Multiply and divide from left to right. So step number 1, parentheses. Step number 2, multiply or divide. As you see, we have here an addition and multiplication. So I start with the multiplication. So 3 times 6 equals to, great, 18. So we write, instead of the multiplication sentence, we write 18. So now we have 6 plus 18. The last step, it's add and subtract from left to right. So step number 1, parentheses. Step number 2, multiplication or division. Step number 3, addition or subtraction. Now we add 6 plus 18, which is equals to 24. This is the answer of this equation. Parentheses, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. So if I ask you about the order of operation, you should know them. Okay? Great. Let's solve some questions from your book, page 24. Simplify. Follow the order of operations. Between parentheses, you have 7 plus 8, then you have multiply by 5. As you know, I should start with the parentheses. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 equals to 15. Now I multiply this number by 5. 15 times 5. What is the answer? You can do it here. This is 15 times 5. 5 times 5 equals to 25. 5 times 1 equals to 5, plus 2 equals to 7. So the answer is 75. As you see, I start with the parentheses, then I multiply. The second one, you have 16 minus 6 between parentheses, then you multiply it by 8. Step number 1, we simplify numbers between parentheses. 16 minus 6 equals to 10. Then you multiply the answer by 8. What is the answer? 10 times 8 equals to 80. So the answer is 80. Great. The third one, 70 minus 8 times 5 between parentheses divided by 10. Step number 1, we simplify the numbers between parentheses. 8 times 5 equals to 40. Great. Now we have 70 minus 40 divided by 10, right? Now we have here subtraction and division. The priority here for the division. So I divide 40 by 10. 40 divided by 10 equals to 4. Great job. Now we have 70 minus 4 equals 2. What is 70 minus 4? Let's do it here. This is 70 minus 4. Can you subtract 4 from 0? No, you can't. So this 7 will be 6 and this 0 will be 10. 10 minus 4 equals to 6. 6 minus nothing equals to 6. So the answer here is 66. The priority here for the numbers between parentheses, then for the division, and finally for the subtraction. Great. The last one here, between parentheses, you have 39 minus 3 divided by 3. As you know, the priority here for the numbers between parentheses. 39 minus 3 equals to 36. Now 36 divided by 3 equals to, how to do it? Let's do the long division. 36 divided by 3. What is the number? If I multiply it by 3, the answer will be 3. It's 1. 1 times 3 equals to 3. Now subtract. 3 minus 3 equals to 0. And we have here 6. 6 divided by 3. I know that 2. 2 times 3 equals to 6. Now we subtract. 6 minus 6 equals to 0. So the answer here is 12. Okay? Parentheses, then division. Great. Another question. Insert parentheses. So I should put parentheses here and simplify to make 15. To make what? 15. That means the answer here should be 15 after we use parentheses. The first one, you have 8 plus 21 divided by 3. And I want you to make the answer equals to 15. Let's say I will put the parentheses between these two numbers. Let's do it. 8 plus 21 divided by 3 between parentheses. I know that the priority here for the numbers between parentheses. 21 divided by 3 equals to 7. Great. Now 8 plus 7 equals to 15. Great job. Another one. 12 plus 18 divided by 2. The answer should be 15 after we add parentheses. I will put the parentheses between 18 and 2. So the priority here for the division, because it's in between parentheses. 18 divided by 2 equals to, great, 9. Now let's add 12 plus 9 equals to, 12 plus 9 equals to 21. This is wrong. I want the answer to be 15, not a 21, okay? So we will erase it, okay? And we will do another one. Let's put the parentheses between 12 and 18. So I should add the numbers first, because the numbers between parentheses, then divided by 2. 12 plus 18 equals to, let's do it here, 18 plus 12. 8 plus 2 equals to 10. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3. So we have here 30. 30 divided by 2 equals to, let's do it as a long division. 30 divided by 2. We multiply it by 1. 1 times 2 equals to 2. 3 minus 2 equals to 1 with a 0. 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. 5 times 2 equals to 10. We subtract now. The answer will be 0. Okay? This is the remainder, sorry. The remainder here is 0, so the answer is 15. Okay? We do it. The last one will be a homework for you. I want you to put parentheses between two numbers, so the answer will be 15. Okay? And also the last fourth question will be a homework. As we do it before, you should use parentheses first, then multiplication and division, and finally you should use addition and subtraction. Okay? And let's say if you have two multiplication sentence or two addition sentences, you should do it from left to right. From left to right. That means you'll start with these numbers, then you add to the third number. Okay? Great job. See you soon, guys. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.